The oil pressure sender is located on the base of the oil filter housing, red arrow. Some people have had success placing a long-handled 17mm wrench down between the hoses and firewall to remove the sender. This photograph taken from the bottom of the motor illustrates the sender, red arrow, behind the Allen socket. Remove the wiring connection first, yellow arrow, just pull it straight off. This photo illustrates where the sender attaches to the oil filter housing base, red arrow. You will not be able to see it as clearly as this with the engine completely built. I took this photograph when I had several components off, but you do not need to remove any other components. Slide a 17mm wrench down from the top or up from the bottom and loosen the sender, red arrow. Once the sender is loosened, you can finish unscrewing it by hand. Make sure to get the old crush washer off of the sender and install a new washer to prevent oil leaks, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.